I wanted to show you this video quickly to show you that here I've got 3 candles that I'm testing the wicks on, and you can see from the melt pools that the wicks that I've chosen are not big enough for the container, just based on the type of wax and the fragrance used, right? So what I'm going to do, because I want to, when you're wick testing and you've come into a problem like this, these are not wasted. What you can actually do is blow the candles out, put them into the oven, melt all of the wax, throw the wicks out, pour the melted wax into like like a melt jug like this, and then reuse the vessels. You like wipe them out and reuse the vessels and the wax and put different wicks in and just try again. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So it's just a little tip for you that just because, something doesn't work out the first time doesn't mean that it's a lost cause, and you can still salvage your glass and your wax and the fragrance and all that and try again. Basically, the only thing that's really wasted is a little bit of your time and the wicks. But I mean, is it really wasted time? This is what we love doing. So, it's up to you to decide that. But just a tip for you.